A very good evening to all of you guys. So this is time for evening practice and I am here. You know, right now I have 100-degree fever. Yes. And earlier I thought just skip right now. But I didn't want to break my consistency, so I came here. I would speak something or other, but I would speak. So I decided and came here. So this is how I am practicing, and this is a commendable job. I appreciate myself. If no one, I don't wait for anyone because this is my journey and I am the evidence of my learning journey. So, so in this time, what should I talk about so that I could speak at least 10 minutes? And I would like to share one of my memory, my incident, which is very important for me. It was the time when I started my career in advocacy, and the first day I got enrollment from the Bar Council of India, Bar Council of State Bar Council, and I got enrolled my advocate association as well. And I was sitting there was my senior was preparing for a bail move, and that bail was a bit complicated, and suddenly before hearing of bail my senior just told me that I am going to I am going to uh, plea for bail. And initially I felt good, and because it was my first day of advocacy officially, and I simply said yes, of course I will do that, I don't have any problem. And I went uh, to courtroom along with my senior, and he sat down. I was standing because there was a huge rush. Many advocates were standing there, and being a junior advocate, I didn't get any seat there. And earlier, before my bill, uh, two other advocates plea for bail, and their bail got rejected by the bench, uh, by the magistrate. And now it was going to my turn, and the moment as soon as was I'm uh, waiting for my wait, I started feeling nervous. My heart beats started uh, jumping, or what can say, I have word problem issues, and I was uh, so frightened uh, that my mind, my heart wanted to say to senior, so let this bail moved by you, sir, because I am not able to. And the moment I was thinking, the second thought came into my mind suddenly. Aman, if you don't uh, move today, then uh, little did you know, when you get the second chance, and maybe your senior don't consider you for a long time. So whatever may comes, do stand firmly. And that time I internally call my mother and father name, and my God name, to whom I worship a lot. And that time the bill, the, my case number was asked, and I stand, and I simply start with, sir, my name is Aman Dwivedi, and I am new in this profession, and today it is my first day. So my senior uh, gave this uh, bail matter me to plea. And then, hearing this, the magistrate and asked me few questions. Even PP Sahab asked me questions, and PP Sahab also said that uh, my senior name. So why are you giving his tarnishing his first debut? So, and everyone was laughing, and I asked for bail formally, and after asking for some sections, and how why should be bail granted, the reason, and then the magistrate allowed my bail. And then I take heave a sigh of relief, and thereafter I feel very confident. After that, whenever I just used to go that particular court, that magistrate always motivate me, and he always try to uh, push me, and this way I learn practice. And that day I learn also, if you don't take chance, you lose not your that opportunity, but your confidence. And you don't know whenever that opportunity you will get or not, you cannot think. So if you have any kind of opportunity, don't think much. And so what if something will happen, let let it be happen, because no one, like I'm an advocate, and if I uh, put something wrong, uh, is judges going to kill me? No. So simply he will dismiss my petition. So, and if we don't remove this hesitation in ourselves, so what is mean to be being an advocate? Because uh, being an advocate, you have responsibilities to uh, to put others prey before the court. So you have to be confident. So I learned that incident, and I try to narrate all those things, even though I was not feeling well. But after completing this my task, I am feeling a bit good. So thank you for watching up to now. I will see you in my next video, and till then take care, have fun, and have a very wonderful night ahead. Thank you very much.